Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to add fingerprint in Poco F4 5G smartphone. Before you start the video, you should subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the settings of the phone and swipe up and choose passwords and security. Now click on the fingerprint unlock. Now draw your pattern. Then choose add fingerprint. Now draw your pattern again. Now add your fingerprint by clicking on the sensor. Touch and take your fingers and change your fingers position slightly. Now the fingerprint is added successfully. Also, you can change the fingerprint recognition method. So in the default, it will open in like a press method. So if you want to open with your finger, you need to press after only the fingerprint is recognized. So if you want to change into the touch method, you need to select from here. Now when the screen is locked, you can easily touch the fingerprint, so it will automatically unlock it without press the button. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.